Okay, so I have some tilapia cichlids, right? And I said that I was going to be feeding them chicken feed for a period of time. Now I have been doing that, and I have realized that the water is actually getting very polluted. One, and two, right where the water actually exit, I have what I call a bucket filter. So the water is taken from the 250-gallon tote, and it's taken through the bucket filter that has sponge and gravel in it, filtered, and it returns into the IBC tote, right? I realized that over a period of probably about 3 or 4 days ago, all of my tilapia cichlids are actually congregating where the water exit the basket, right? Which is a clear sign that there's some amount of oxygen issue within the pond, and the pond need more aeration. Now, I'm not in the position to provide additional aeration to this pond at the moment, because I have several other projects working on, and providing aeration is like costly, and this is like an experiment feature, right? So what I might have to do, I might have to again abruptly stop the feeding of these tilapia cichlids with chicken feed and with tilapia feed, and probably consume a few of them personally, and then probably what's left, probably about because roughly it's about probably about 2 dozen tilapia in this 250-gallon tote. Yes, it is overstocked, but as I said before, this was not done intentionally. All of this just came up, and I had to place them somewhere, right? So I might have to consume some of them in an effort to actually continue the project, right? So I'll share with you what I have actually done in the near future. But for now, I can see, hear my voice. I taught a class today, and it was so exciting that the students had such, what I call it now, moment in the class that my voice actually went, right? But however, it's audible in it. You, if I speak, you hear. But I just had to share this video because I think it's of great value, and probably others in Jamaica in particular might be following what I'm doing, and probably try to mimic everything I do. And to be in the truest of the word, I am trying to be the best example in this example, in this, should I say, experiment, right? So the tilapias are getting big. Yes, they, everything is what I call it now, it's not a monosex tooth or tilapia stock. It's mixed sex, so you have the males going very fast, and the females small, and practically some of them look as if they are ready to be consumed, right? Now, with the feeding of these fish, chicken feed and tilapia feed, what you find is that they are actually growing more than normal, right? So that's practically it for today's video, right? Join the conversation, leave a share in leave a join me in the conversation, leave a like, share and subscribe. And yes, I am going to probably consume some of them during the course of this weekend. Peace out, guys. Thank you for watching. It has been really an awesome tilapia excursion experience through the past 8 weeks. Right? Peace out. Catch you next time. Bye bye for now. Cool.